Welcome to Review Rumble. The best scrapbook kits are probably one of the most cherished ways to preserve your memories, offering a tangible and creative outlet for documenting life's special moments, from the everyday joys to the grandest celebrations, allowing you to transform photographs and mementos into beautiful, personalized stories that can be shared and treasured for generations to come. Number 5. Draupnir Vintage Scrapbook Kit. Discover the Draupnir Vintage Scrapbook Kit, your all-in-one solution for journaling and scrapbooking. It's packed with everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Immerse yourself in a beautiful vintage aesthetic. This kit features charming designs like dessert recipes, sheet music, and botanical illustrations, perfect for creating a unique look. Crafted with high-quality materials, the notebook paper is smooth and ink-friendly. Enjoy vibrant, clear prints thanks to advanced printing technology, ensuring durability and a great crafting experience. With a variety of stickers, tapes, and papers, you can create a personalized scrapbook, junk journal, or planner. The included A6 notebook is perfect for capturing all your thoughts and memories. Presented in an attractive box, this kit makes a wonderful gift for teens, daughters, or friends. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who loves to create and personalize. This comprehensive kit includes a 256-page A6 grid notebook, decorative papers, stickers, washi tape, envelopes, and much more. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced crafters. What we like. This kit is packed with a wide variety of vintage-themed items, making it perfect for anyone looking to dive into junk journaling or scrapbooking. If you're a beginner or just love a cohesive vintage look, this all-inclusive set offers great value and convenience. What people say. Pages are thick too with minimal bleed-through. This is a really nice Christmas and holiday set with a wonderful variety of papers, stickers, tags and washi tape. High-quality prints and designs are beautiful. Number 4. Popotop Photo Album Self-Adhesive with Picture Display Window. Introducing the Popotop Photo Album, designed to beautifully preserve your most cherished moments. Its self-adhesive pages and durable linen cover make creating your memory book a joy. This album offers ample space for your photos, holding approximately 124 by 6-inch pictures across its 40 pages. The self-adhesive pages allow you to arrange and rearrange your memories with ease. Our acid and PVC-free pages ensure your photos and notes are protected from fading and damage. The special film prevents yellowing, keeping your memories vibrant and intact for a lifetime. Crafted with a high-quality linen cover and a sturdy laminated cardboard frame, this album boasts a retro and exquisite style. It's built to last, providing a stable structure for your treasured collection. This versatile scrapbook album makes an ideal gift for weddings, baby showers, anniversaries, and holidays. It's a thoughtful way to help loved ones record their special moments. We are confident in the quality of our scrapbook albums. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated customer support team is ready to assist you promptly. What we like. This album features a beautiful linen cover and a convenient self-adhesive design that protects your photos without causing damage. If you want to create a lasting memory book for significant life events like weddings or baby's first year, this is an excellent choice for preserving your precious moments. What people say. The self-adhesive isn't that strong, which helps to fix the photos without ruining them and hold the pictures nicely. The amount of pages depends on which one you pick and looks like you can add more to the album. Love that the metallic pen wipes off in case you change your mind. It does not smudge ether. Photos stick well to the page. Number 3. ZEEYUAN Vintage Leather Scrapbook DIY Photo Album. This scrapbook kit comes with everything you need to get started, including metallic markers, drawing templates, and decorative stickers. The high-quality PU leather cover features an embossed pattern for a unique, tactile feel. Embrace a distinctive style with this vintage-inspired scrapbook. It's enhanced with metal rivets and protective corner covers, giving it a truly fashionable and timeless look. With 60 thick black pages, this album offers plenty of room for your photos. It can comfortably hold up to 120 photos in various sizes, perfect for preserving all your cherished moments. Customize your album with adjustable stainless steel rings, allowing you to add or remove pages as needed. The acid-free pages protect your photos from fading, and a convenient inner pocket is perfect for storing keepsakes. Create a stylish and personal way to store and display your memories. It makes an ideal and thoughtful gift for anniversaries, birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. We are committed to providing the best service. If you encounter any issues with our product, please don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. What we like. With its distinctive metal-bound leather cover and adjustable ring binding, this album offers a stylish and customizable way to store your memories. If you're looking for a durable and personalized photo album for couples or special anniversaries, this provides a unique and fashionable option. What people say. The 8 by 11 inch size is perfect for creating junk journals, memory books, or personalized scrapbooks. The leather cover has a gorgeous, high-quality finish with beautiful metal corner details and sturdy stitching that give it a timeless, elegant feel. Inside, there are 60 black sheets, 120 pages total when counting both sides, that make photos, artwork, and mementos pop beautifully. It can hold a ton of items, making it ideal for layering and creative projects. The book is just the right size my daughter was looking for, and the black pages are the perfect thickness. The rings make it easy to add or remove pages as you wish. It also has a magnetic buckle that keeps the book and everything you put in it tightly closed. Sturdy papers in the scrapbook. It is as big as a subject notebook. I like this one as it gives you really great usable pens and stickers. Great quality. Number 2. JOYCHOIC Vintage Aesthetic Journaling Kit. Discover the JOYCHOIC Vintage Aesthetic Journaling Kit, a beautiful collection designed to inspire your creativity. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of vintage charm to their projects. This kit features a stunning green theme, bringing a unique vintage aesthetic to your junk journals and scrapbooks. It's an ideal gift for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Inside, you'll find a generous assortment of papers, stickers, bookmarks, and more, all curated to enhance your journaling and crafting. The variety ensures you have everything you need for any project. From art journals and collages to planners and handmade cards, the possibilities are limitless. Personalize your creations with a beautiful vintage effect that will surely impress. Beautifully packaged in an exquisite gift box, this kit makes a thoughtful and gorgeous present for your mom or a friend. It's a gift that truly keeps on giving. We know you'll adore this scrapbook kit as much as we do. Get ready to dive into your mixed media projects and create something truly special. What we like. This kit boasts a beautiful green-themed aesthetic with a vast array of journaling supplies, perfect for creating a visually cohesive and artistic journal. If you're a fan of nature-inspired designs or a beginner looking for a curated set to start your journaling journey, this offers a delightful and inspiring collection. What people say. The kit includes a variety of high-quality papers with different textures and patterns, perfect for creating a cohesive look. The embellishments are well chosen and complement the paper designs beautifully, adding a professional touch to the scrapbook. The included adhesive is strong and reliable, ensuring that photos and embellishments stay in place without falling off. Number 1. Vintage Scrapbook Paper Journaling Supplies Kit. Discover a comprehensive kit designed to elevate your journaling and scrapbooking projects. It includes a generous amount of decorative papers and stickers to bring your ideas to life. Explore a variety of vintage-inspired themes, from elegant florals to classic postmarks and letters. These tasteful embellishments are perfect for all your paper craft needs. Our kit offers papers in multiple convenient sizes, allowing you to easily cut, fold, or use them as they are. They are perfect for fitting into any planner or journal layout. Crafted from high-quality paper with clear, single-sided printing, these sheets are durable and smooth. The adhesive floral stickers are made from reliable washi tape that sticks well and removes cleanly. Ideal for decorating scrapbooks, diaries, and even your living space. Their compact size makes them easy to carry, ensuring you can add a creative touch wherever you go. These exquisite decorative elements are designed to spark your imagination. Get ready to create stunning, personalized pieces that reflect your unique style. What we like. This kit provides a generous amount of decorative paper and stickers in various sizes and vintage themes, offering great flexibility for your crafting projects. If you enjoy detailed paper crafts, journaling, or adding a retro touch to your planners and scrapbooks, this collection offers ample material for creative expression. What people say. The scrapbook kit includes a variety of high-quality papers with different textures and patterns, perfect for creating a cohesive look. The adhesive included in the kit is strong and easy to use, ensuring that photos and embellishments stay in place. The kit comes with a wide assortment of stickers, die-cut shapes, and other embellishments that add a professional touch to any scrapbook page. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.